Hello and welcome. This is the lightning talk for assessing ethical challenges and conducting do-it-yourself science during the COVID-19 pandemic. My name is Anna Wexler. I'm the PI on the project. This is a collaborative effort along with my co-PI, Dr. Lisa Rasmussen, as well as other team members. And so just to provide some of the background, federal regulations regarding research oversight don't apply to do-it-yourself science, where individuals conduct scientific research at home or in community labs. And without this mandatory oversight, the ethical conduct of DIY science poses concerns for policymakers, conventional research ethics gatekeepers, and DIY communities themselves. And so these concerns became particularly salient during the COVID-19 pandemic, which spurred thousands of DIY scientists to come together to work on COVID-19 diagnostics and treatments. And so the objective of our project is to assess how unregulated do-it-yourself research communities navigate ethical issues in a time of crisis. And specifically using digital ethnography and interviews, we examine how participants in open source COVID-19 projects negotiate three central research ethics challenges: biosafety and harm, validation and replication, and authorship and credit. Currently, data collection is complete. We're in the midst of analysis and hope to share the results with you very soon.